Hi Todd, this is Josh out at Encore. I just wanted to show you where I'm at with your sunroof glass today. I found one that had no weather stripping when I started, so I could get a very good look inside here and see that there was no holes or pitting. I know that was going to be your biggest concern. I think you said that's what is leaking on yours now, is this tray or this trim. And I've gone all the way around it and looked at it really good from this inside here, and there is no pits or holes or anything that looks to be of a concern inside here anywhere. I saw a little on this inside edge in a spot or two, but nothing where the gasket sits to seal the water that might get into the sunroof tray. So I don't know how this is showing up, but I did want to get you something before I put a coat of paint on here and get your final approval before it goes out. But again, there is no pits, no holes, no missing metal inside here anywhere. And the outside's pretty nice. Had some light surface rust and things I was able to knock loose. And I'll pull out the rest of these attaching pieces, the latch and whatnot, and tape off the glass, which did have a couple scratches, but I'll try and polish them out the best I can. But hope that based on the condition of the metal and all, that this is what you were looking for. So I'll continue working on it. I'll get you some more information as soon as I'm done painting it up, and if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know. Thanks again.